I bet your baby daddy wanna love on me. Hey you guys, this is me, Tiff the Gift, and today I will be showing you how I install this 22-inch lace front wig that I colored. This wig is from my collection, so all the information will be in my description. So today I am doing my sister's hair. She goes by the name of honeybeesanders on their IG, so go ahead and follow her, you guys. Gonna get into it, so I'm not gonna do too much talking, just gonna let you guys look and see what I'm doing. If you have any questions, comment below. Tint the lace for my sister's skin color, and I use the color tan, and this is from TruMATCH lace concealer. It's like one of the best lace tints I've used so far, and I'll leave all the information below for you guys. I know I'm not really talking much on this video, but to me it's just more of a watch me slay. But if you guys have any questions, please comment below and I'll try to answer them as best as I can, as fast as I can. And if you think I should have more of an informal video or why I do this or why I do that, just go ahead and comment below, and if enough asks, maybe I will have a video. You guys, I really try to make this video as short as possible. Like, I got up to 10 minutes and my computer crashed, and then I had to re-edit it, and then went to 13 minutes and I don't even know what I did. But anyways, I just hope that you guys find this very soothing as it does for me, just watching the process. Like, I'll go on YouTube all day and just watch people just do this, so I know for a fact that people will enjoy 13 minutes of a slay. out the way. Alright, y'all, back to work. We had a little fun time, but it's back to the sleigh.
Make this beat. Is it love? Is the love right here? Ooh. Aye. Make this beat. Is it love? Is the love right here? Ooh. Aye.
So we are almost done, y'all. So I'm just giving my sister little swoops on the sides. Just like me, she's not really into baby hairs, which I love. And I'm gonna give her more of a mermaid look. Towards the end, I did not record it, but we ended up doing a little bit of crimps just on the outer layer just to give it more of a wavy effect, because this is straight hair and it does have a wavy pattern when you wet it down, but it wasn't the look that I wanted, but it still looked cute. But we did end up going home and adding some crimps, and you'll see at the end. And we are done with this video, you guys. Like I said earlier, we did end up going home and doing some crimps. So here's a picture, well, a video of my sister when we went out that night, and she is rocking them crimps. So yeah, you guys, this wig was provided by me, my collection Gifted Wigs, and the website will be up soon. But you can follow me on IG and DM me if you are interested in my wig. This wig was a 22-inch 613 wig that we colored pink, and we will be showing more videos of this wig soon, you guys. So be on the lookout, subscribe.